Introducing the AS logo design in Adobe Illustrator, where sophistication meets subtlety. This logo design exudes a unique charm and refined elegance, capturing attention with its brilliance and beauty. Crafted with precision and care, it promises to leave a lasting impression, showcasing an effortless blend of style and speed. Perfect for those who appreciate the art of minimalism and the power of visual impact, this AS logo is a testament to timeless design. My name is Humaira Laique. And my channel is HLGRAPHICS. When two letters seamlessly join together, they form a beautiful combination known as a logo, showcasing a harmonious blend of design elements that create a visually appealing and memorable representation. First, we'll focus on the letters A and S to create an ANS logo. The font chosen for this project is called Edensor. This font is freely available for download and can be used both commercially and for personal purposes. Edensor is a visually appealing font, known for its sophistication, subtlety, and delicate appearance. Now create an outline of these letters, then right-click the mouse and click on the ungroup, so that the two letters will be separated. Now take a copy below these letters, for which we will go to Edit. Click on Copy there. After that we will go back to Edit and click on Paste and back. Here we have used light gray color. Next, we will follow the offset path and thicken the copy slightly. Once that is done, we will expand it, resulting in a refined and bolder version of the original. Now we will also expand the duplicate layer that we have taken. Group the letter A with its duplicate and do the same for the letter S. Now, we will position the letter A with its duplicate and the letter S with its duplicate on top of each other and adjust the settings accordingly. After that, we will select Shape Builder tool and the specific parts we want to group by clicking with the mouse, forming the desired elements of our logo, and deleting the remaining sections. If you find some lines to be crooked, refine them with the help of the Smooth tool. We will make a few edits to eliminate any redundancies, ensuring the design is clean and cohesive. This process will result in a refined and visually stunning ANS logo that is both elegant and beautiful.